Vipra, today I am going to show you a different type of dosa. Since you're keen in eating dosa all the three times a day, I would like you to learn this type of dosa, which is also very nutritious. It's made out of atta, that is wheat atta. I took 2 glasses of this and this, and then 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and then I had added water, salt, asafoetida, and curry patta and little jeera, and I'm going to make some dosas and show you. And this you should use a hand blender to blend it to this consistency so that there will not be any lumps. This is how it is. So now I'll start making. First I've taken an iron tawa, cast iron. So I take little oil in that and then spread it with a tissue paper, or you can use a clean cloth. Now let me make the dosa. And here I use little oil, any oil, gingerly oil or groundnut oil with sunflower oil, whichever you prefer, but gingerly oil will be more tastier. So let this be in sim and I will show you. You have to cook on both the sides and let it get cooked on one side first. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to make this onion chutney. See, these are baby onions. I had peeled, cleaned, washed it and then cut into pieces so that it's easy to grind it in the mixie jar. Then I have taken 1 lemon size tamarind and 2 red chilies and half a teaspoon of salt soaked in little water. So I grind all this together and then saute it. I'll just show you. I'll grind it and then show you. Meanwhile, let us see whether the this atta dosa is ready on one side. Let it cook for a while. Some more time. Here it goes. This. Then let it get cooked on the other side also. I'm keeping it in sim and cooking it. Meanwhile, I'll grind this and come. So this is ready. I'll make one more and show you. the tawa becomes a bit hot. So you can cool it down by pouring water, or you can wipe it with this. Same way, use little oil on the sides and little in the center. Keep adjusting your flame according to the time. Sometimes you keep it in sim, sometimes you keep it in medium, but don't keep it in high because it will get burnt. Now let me show you how the chutney is made. So the ground onion with red chilies, 2 red chilies and little tamarind and salt. I'm taking gingerly oil, some say 2 tablespoons. Dropping this. Already I have added salt also in this. You can adjust your red chili according to your taste. I have added 2 red medium spicy red chilies. That is bedki chili. I'm putting it in sim. It has to get cooked and the oil will get separated from the mixture. Once it is done, absolutely no need of any spices for this. Just red chili, tamarind, salt and baby onions. It will take very less time to get cooked, this onion chutney. Yes. I will show you once this chutney is done. It takes a few more minutes. Ready. Now the chutney is ready. It has left the sides of the pan. Now I remove this dosa, that is wheat dosa, and serve it with baby onion chutney. So simple, and it takes very less time and also very nutritious. So here I go with the 4th one. 2 glasses for 2 people. Always remember. And half a spoon of oil. Now you can have this for breakfast or even for dinner. Those who are not able to make chapatis in the initial stages, or those who don't know to make chapati, this is also equivalent of chapati because this is made out of wheat atta. Okay.